Hi, I'm Bill Daly, PJP's King of Tabletop, and I'm here to tell you about how the right wine glass can make the right experience for you and your guests. The first is a soda lime glass that's fully tempered from the Excalibur line. This has been the workhorse of the food service industry for the last 15 or 20 years. What's great about it is that it's durable. It is fully tempered, which means that the molecules are all packed together and it is very difficult to break. One thing that does impede it, though, is that it has this bead on the top, which is going to stop the wine just ever so momentarily as it makes its way to your palate. The next item is the Cabernet 16-ounce all-purpose wine. Now this uses a crystalline body, which is a combination of soda lime glass and a crystal body, but without any lead content. So what you're going to get is a slightly thinner sidewall, and you're going to get no bead around the top, so there's nothing to impede the wine onto your palate. But the great thing here is it's got a completely cracked off rim and a crystalline body. So now you have the ability for the wine to get right to the palate for the wine drinker. And the third glass features the same crystalline body, but an even thinner sidewall. And you can see that the ring is even a little finer than on the Cabernet. It's going to close in a little bit more, and it's going to allow the aroma to really settle into the glass once you swirl it. So all three of these glasses are from Cardinal Glass, PJP's partner in our 2020 marketing program. So please enjoy, and thanks for watching.